The title of this poem is The Back Door to Divinity. It's said that beneath the winding miles of solid rock protecting the center of the earth flows a river deep enough to irrigate this dusty life for 1,000 years, even though time will have already drowned once that ground breaks. Only an impossible aqueduct could join our spindly desires and parched hearts with that sea of liberation, a seemingly diabolical miracle of near fatal shaking to open what has all these years been longing for disillusion. We all need that sacred gash. We all need that sacred gash, a cut beneath the rest. Don't hold back your pain and devastation, your hunger for enduring darkness that holds no promise save for a glimmer. These your only shovel and dynamite to enter what pleasure cannot plumb. Let go your tears, for only in numbers can they begin to coalesce, descend, then at last buoy you. What once stung in the open wound becomes crystal clear in the rising tide shuttled through your veins, emerging from your lips now as medicine for our times. Beat the apathy of evaporation that leaves you with only a taste of fullness. Beat the apathy of evaporation that leaves you with only a taste of fullness. Don't listen to the propaganda of droplets. They are not your sadness, but the disguised percolations of a great joy welcoming you home. Alas, follow the signature of salt, whose last name cannot be recalled, dissolved through every living thing. Turn away from the teachers who insist on stretching your mind from your tender flesh into the lost world of shiny metals, who worship helium by default for a fear of lead. Consider water a salvation, and within its trinity of atoms, a fire of pure fission, the ardor of your now beaming heart. Let it tear open. The sacred marriage of opposites we could never bang together awaits your sacraments, your vows of unbridled passion and courage to allow the cleaving of your defenses for heaven to emerge from behind the veils of pain. I know that beneath the winding miles of solid bone, protecting the center of our bodies, flows a river rich enough to resuscitate our arteries and transform our vision once we have slipped through our heart crack to infinity, the back door to divinity. Thanks.